Welcome back. Minister for Environment and Forest Alina said that government will scrutinise Gadgil's report and give its opinion. Minister claims that Western Ghats stretch in Goa could be included in the list as UNESCO's natural heritage sites. The high-level working group presented a report on Western Ghats to the Union Ministry of Environment and Forest on Wednesday.
High-level working group presented a report on Western Ghats to MOEF on Wednesday in Delhi. The working group has been constituted to advise the government on the recommendations made by ecologist Madhav Gadgil. The working group has made various recommendations. Dr. Kasturi Rangan says, "The message of this report is serious, alarming and urgent. It is imperative that we protect, manage and regenerate the lands now remaining in the Western Ghats as biologically rich, diverse natural landscapes. We have reached a threshold from which we cannot slip further. This has to be the objective of future planning and regulations in this recognized center of biodiversity in our country."
According to the Gadgil report, certain areas that are supposed to be considered as eco-sensitive areas, the government may have to think twice on that, because the government is worried, is concerned that Goa being a very, very small state, it cannot afford, to have every area declared as eco-sensitive, which then forbids or prevents regular activities from taking place.
However, the Goa government is yet to receive the report. Environment Minister is confident of getting UNESCO status for Western Ghats covering Goa.
And there is no reason why we should have any doubts that the Goa sector of the Western Ghats will soon be part of the UNESCO list of heritage sites. Soon after receiving the proposal from Goa, requesting Dr. Kanduri to follow the necessary procedure to ensure that Goa's sector of the Western Ghats will be included in the list of UNESCO heritage sites.
With bureau inputs, senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaokar for Prudent.
Goa government has made it clear that Chogle Education Society has no legal right to close down higher secondary section. After refusal from state government, Chogle Education Society has knocked the doors of the High Court, pleading them to allow to close down higher secondary section from its school. However, government has clearly said no for this move and has made it stand clear in an affidavit filed before the High Court. The matter will come up for decisive hearing on 25th April.
Chogle Education Society had first requested the state government to allow them to close down higher secondary section from its school in phased manner with effect from the academic year 2012-13. But the state government, considering the interest of the students, turned down society's request. The society then approached the High Court. State government in its affidavit filed before the High Court on Wednesday has said that any management or society receiving grants from the state has no right whatsoever to close down the school. There are 3 higher secondary schools in Madgaon municipal area having the art stream and 4 with science stream, including Parvatibai Chogle College. Government has also stated that if Chogle College is allowed to close down, the other schools will not be able to accommodate all students due to lack of infrastructure, and it may lead to chaos. Closure of this section will also affect working staff. State government has also said that Parvatibai Chogle College has best infrastructure in terms of science laboratory, and if the higher secondary section is allowed to be closed down, students will be deprived from quality education. Government has also stated that if the society wants to separate its higher secondary section, then government can consider the proposal. The High Court has fixed 25th of April as next date of hearing. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Yet another rape case in the state. A 21-year-old girl complained that one Felix from Kalangut allegedly raped her, inducing her for marriage. She claimed that Felix is married and had cheated her. Complaint states that Felix is a driver and is attached to Kala Academy. Felix has been arrested by Old Goa police and investigation is on.
21 वर्साच्या चली भुरग्यान कंप्लेंट दिल्या की 16 नोव्हेंबर 2012 ह्या दिसा 11:30 सुमार एका एबंडंट ओल्ड घरान चिंबेल मिर्शेस हांगासर हो एक्यूज फेलिक्स जासिंतो पेरेरा उमटावाडा कलंगूट हाणें तिका लग्नाचें आमीश दाखयलें आनी तिजे कडेन जबरदस्तीन अगळीक केली आनी तिका धमकी दिली. एक्यूज पर्सन इज अरेस्टेड एंड इज प्लेस्ड इन द लॉकअप. केस रजिस्टर केल्या अंडर CR नंबर 56/13 अंडर सेक्शन 376 506 IPC.
A 2-day conference on the topic Human Resource and Corporate Governance organized by Green Tech Foundation will start on Friday at Siddharth, Goa. HR and corporate professionals from almost 150 companies across India will be participating in this event. HR professionals and companies will be given HR awards, and MV Takesale, CMD of Central Bank of India, will be felicitated with Lifetime Achievement Award.
The conference is about HR and corporate governance. So HR really plays a great role, and they should be respected along other like the finance department or marketing department. So they should be treated at par like that. So they also feel motivated that they are also part of the organization and they are contributing to the growth of the organization. And regarding the corporate governance is a set of rules of systems, processes that drive the organization to achieve the goal that also benefits all the stakeholders. The stakeholders are not only the board of directors, they are also the management, the employees, suppliers, the shareholders, and everybody connected with that. We are also privileged to honor Sri Tangsale, the CMD of Central Bank of India, by honoring him by presentation of a Lifetime Achievement Award.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.